Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on posting multiple photos at once on Instagram. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. You may have seen people's posts with multiple photos on Instagram and wondered how you can do that. Well, don't worry, I will show you how to do it in a few easy steps. Open Instagram and swipe from left to right, or tap the plus at the bottom to get to the posting screen. Now tap the multiple squares icon to the bottom right of the photo. You can now tap to select multiple photos or videos to post. They will be posted in the order that you select them. You can select up to 10 photos or videos per post. Once you have selected all of the photos or videos that you would like, tap Next in the top right. You can add music to your posts like normal. You can add filters to your photos and tap Reorder in the bottom left to reorder the photos and videos. Now you can share your post the same as normal. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Instagram tips and tricks.